Okay, let's just call it out. If you've been holding everything together, running on fumes, and telling yourself, maybe next year, this is your wake-up call. It's time for a bestie or vacation trip, and I'm about to tell you why. Hey y'all, it's Christy with Travel Adventures with James and Christy. And we specialize in trips that do more than just take you somewhere. We create experiences that refill your cup. Today, we're talking about that overdue trip that you have been putting off. And now is the time to take it. The signs that you are long overdue. You know it's time when you're snapping at folks for no reason. The group chat is dry because you haven't planned anything. You forgot what fun feels like. Your partner is looking at you like, do you remember when we used to date? And you've said we should do something every month for a whole year. Now this is real talk. You deserve this. You're not meant to just work, survive, work off of 3 hours of sleep. You're allowed to disconnect, to say no, to rest, and to laugh. You don't have to earn joy. You have to make space for it. Vacations and Bestie trips, they hit different. You reconnect with who you are outside of your roles. You have deep combos that you didn't even know you needed. You wake up excited again. It's not just a trip, it's a reset. And if you're already planning that escape, grab our free airport day checklist, because nothing ruins a vibe like forgetting your charger or your passport. Smooth travel starts before you even hit the road. Excuses we hear and why they are not even it. I don't have the time. You won't if you don't ever make it. I can't afford it. Payment plans exist for a reason. What if the kids need me? What they really need is a happy, healthy version of you. Let's stop shrinking ourselves out of joy. Why vacations and bestie trips work. You're traveling with people who get you. No judgment, no problems, just laughs, good vibes, and shared memories. You bond over experiences, dance under new skies, and come home with inside jokes that last forever. And if planning is the part that's holding you back, don't worry. That's literally what we do here. We plan vacations that reconnect, bestie trips that bring the crew back together, and stress-free group trips that let you breathe again. Book a free consultation or hop on one of our group trips. We'll do the work and you just show up and be cute. I got some real moments from our clients. One of our couples told us on their trip to Iceland with us, that was the first time they had reconnected and talked in years. One of our girl group's trips came back from Hawaii with matching tattoos, a shared journal, and a whole new level of friendship. This is the stuff that sticks. That's why we do what we do. Picture this. You're on a rooftop at sunset with cocktail in hand. Your best friend is laughing next to you, or you're dancing with your partner under string lights in Italy. No phone blowing up, no schedule pulling you 10 different ways, just you being, breathing, and living. Coming up next, what we actually do to take the stress out of your trip. Because planning a vacation should feel like fun, not a second job. We're pulling back the curtains, letting you know how we plan trips for our clients and make the magic happen. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to grab that free checklist. Your escape starts here and now. I want to give you your permission slip. You don't need a reason. You don't need to wait till you're burnt out. You deserve this trip because you are alive, because life is short, because joy is holy. Say yes to yourself. Say yes to the getaway, and say yes to the vibe.